In today's video, I'm going to be testing out one of my students' games. I had 3 students working together to create a very fun Rage Quit Obby. You know why it's called like that soon. But I also promoted the game. Any Robux that we make through that game, it will be sent directly to the students. So if you want to join the game, buy anything from the game, all of those Robux will be sent to the students that made this game. Also, the link will be in the description so you can test it out. Let's go ahead, let's get started. So this is the game over here, it's called Rage Quit Obby. It's a limited edition game and so far we have 465 visits. Keep in mind I did promote the game so we get more people to play it. Now make sure to click the link in the description so you can test out the game. And we already see that we have, well, there's a total of 4 people playing the game. And I already know that you're all going to be in the comments down below commenting how much of a noob I am when it comes to Roblox Obbies, but let's give this a try. Alright, we seem to be doing well over here. Alright, first level, easy, we've passed that one. Now for every new level you do get a point in the leaderboard and also how long have you been playing the game. Now I also know there is a shop and you can buy a sword, a jetpack, or you can skip to the final level. And this is a school themed challenge. There's a lot of pens over there, a rubber and then the school bus. And there we go. This should be quite easy. Let's see if we can manage to do it. There we go. Where are the other players? Oh, there's one over there. Let's throw a snowball at him. Alright, now let's stop the game. Let's move on to the part where the reason why you're here. And that's the feature where you promote the game on Roblox. Let me open up Roblox Creator and I'll show you exactly what I mean. And over here you have a button, Ads. Let's click it. So for this game I am running an ad and this is how much you can expect to earn on average per amount that you spend. So far we've got almost 100,000 impressions. Out of these 100,000 impressions, we have gotten 966 clicks and only 367 have played. The total play time for the last day, it's 2.1 hours. Alright, the ad is active and we've only spent $7.24 US so far. How much have we made from these 7.24? Let's go ahead and open up the creator again. Create. Rage Quit Obby. And drum roll. Let's go over here on passes. Let's see how much we've made in the last few hours basically. Total revenue, it is. Alright, so far we've made 61 Robux in total, and we had 1 player that had bought the skip to final level, 2 players bought the sword pass, and 1 player bought the jetpack. And this is only the result in a few hours. I'll upload a part 2 of this video just to see how much Robux we can make in total after 7 full days. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and this is just a rough estimate on how much you can make once you advertise a game. I'll see you again all in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget, if you want to test out the game, it's completely free, and if you buy anything with Robux, it will go directly to the student's account. See you all in the next one.